Hi, welcome my dear student. Right here on this lecture, you can go ahead and download the project files. All you have to do is download them, use the link on the resources link somewhere here on the screen, download it, and then from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your terminal, go to that specific project. I'm gonna show you right now. So you go to that project file, and all you gotta do is do composer update. And that will create the rest of the files that you will be missing, because by default, when you get the project, when you download this project, you're going to be missing the vendor folder here. But when you do composer update, that's going to be created automatically. Now, besides you being able to download the files from this lecture, I also created a repository in GitHub, just in case you want to go ahead and pull down that project and make commits and create pull requests, just in case you want to, contribute and make this project even better. So in order for you to do that though, you would need to request your username to be added to this repository. As you can see right now, this is private. Okay, so right here on this lecture, you can post in the discussion your username, your GitHub username, and I will add you to this repository, so that way you can make commits and we can contribute and make a bigger project. Now, if you don't know about Git or GitHub, I suggest for you to learn about it. This is recommended for every developer out there. I have a section on my PHP with Laravel for beginners course where we talk about GitHub, where I actually show you the steps that you need to follow with GitHub. I might even have a course by itself on GitHub, so you might want to take a look at that. If I don't have it, there is a lot of other tutorials out there you can take to get yourself up to date with Git and GitHub. But this is a necessity for every developer, especially if you are developing in Laravel. Okay, so here are the two options. Like I just told you, you can download the project here on this lecture and just do composer update from that folder. Okay, that will create the missing files, because most of the time when you send files or you clone the files, you're not going to have the vendor folder, as you can see here. Okay, so you do composer update. The other choice is to come here and do the cloning, right? You can clone that using Git, but you have to request your username to be added. Remember that. And you do it by putting your name on this lecture right here or sending me a message. I'll see you in the next lecture. Good luck.